this is what happens when you try to romanticize last minute.
Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June.
हो गया लेगेसी ऑफ मदर.
उसका लिंक है शो.
हाँ, तो मैं कह रही थी, so we are going to very impromptu trip, which has been decided today morning. मतलब हमने टिकट से बुक की दोपहर के 2 बजे. टिकट कब की बुक की? 10 बजे की. And like currently it is 8 PM. We are not late. Wow. क्या था वो? वो बिल्डिंग के लिए. हाँ. We are not late basically for the very first time for something important because it is one of the क्या बोलेंगे dream destination of everyone and हमारा ये पहला trip है like हाँ हम आ गए the whole family except my dad so हमारा पहला ही trip इतना खतरनाक बन गया so if you have any clue what could be the dream place make it in the comment section and I will show you.
Hi Devan. We are going to.
So I booked all our flights at 2 PM in the morning and 8 बजे तक के we were at the airport with no plan and no shopping. ले लिया अंदर. So this was the consequence of a decision which me and my dad made क्योंकि हमको तो घूमने जाना था तो हमने बोला चलो घूमने जाते हैं बट डायरेक्ट इंडिया के बाहर वो भी लास्ट मिनट पे. That could have been a bad decision but anyways instead of making a decision week before like normal people do before booking their flights we just booked that one flight not one but 3 but when I knew कि लास्ट फ्लाइट जो थी हमारी उसमें हमारे लिए उतनी सफिशिएंट सीट्स ही नहीं थी दैट्स व्हेन आई वाज सो मैं रही भाई क्या हो गया अब मैं क्या करूँगी. एंड शाम के 7 बजे तक के हमारे रिटर्न फ्लाइट का कुछ आइडिया नहीं था मतलब हमारा बुक नहीं था मतलब कंफर्मेशन नहीं था बट देन वी गॉट दैट कंफर्मेशन एंड हमने बैकपैक किए सब कुछ भरा और निकल गए. ट्रिप पे तो बहुत लोगों से चीज़ें छूटती है बट मेरी यहाँ पे पहले ही घूमने लग गई थी. एट द नागपुर एयरपोर्ट ओनली व्हेन वी वर वेटिंग फॉर आवर फ्लाइट I put my phone onto the charging port where there are multiple adapters available. तो वहाँ पे मैंने अपना फ़ोन और चार्जर लगा दिया और मैं चली गई ठीक है 3-4 सीट पीछे बैठने. Then when I found out I lost my charger. My phone was thankfully there but जो चोर था उसने मेरा पूरा चार्जर लेके चला गया. ना ये कितनी बुरी बात हो सकती है एक आईफोन यूजर के लिए कि उसके पास उसका चार्जर नहीं है एंड आई डिड नॉट इवन हैव अ पावर बैंक. वाओ. Now we were at the Bangalore airport which was our first layover site and let me tell you this was so huge and it was very confusing because मतलब मैं चल तो गई सही रास्ते पे but extremely huge. Okay, since it was an international airport but comparing to other international airport I think this is the prettiest one which I ever saw. मैंने देखे कितने भाई 3-4 देखे होंगे but yeah. मैं इसके आगे 2 इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट और देख रही हूँ बट दिस वाज द प्रीटीएस्ट पूरे ट्रिप में भी. वहाँ जाने के पहले ना मैं यहाँ की ब्यूटी से ही ना आश्चर्यचकित हो जाऊँ। It was like 2:30 a.m. and I was half asleep, obviously, because I wanted to see how it feels to be that high up. Because I've recently learned that domestic flights fly around 13,000 feet and international ones do that at 32,000 feet. So yeah, I stayed with my eyes half open waiting for the plane to climb, and when it did, the turbulence hit harder than I thought. I mean, मेरे को पता था different रहेगा, but not this different. It literally felt like the plane was fighting with the clouds. The cabin lights were red, which I really like, kind of moody. But between Indigo and this, I will still prefer Indigo at any cost because they feel so safer and much more calmer. This is what we got. This is an orange juice thing. And this is something called spice chickpeas. I am not eating it. And this one literally felt like it was a roller coaster at 32,000 feet. Why? Because the weather was cloudy, which I only realized when we landed at the next stop because it was raining everywhere. This is Sri Lanka, Colombo. I passed with the second layover and it was generally very tiring because, of course, the whole night we stayed awake. और the fact that I still got this meal again and I did not eat it because पहला वाला जो मुझे मिला था that was छोले वाला. This was supposed to be chicken but वो जो था वो कुछ अजीब ही था, कच्चा अंडा जैसा मुझे लगा. मैंने एक बाइट खाया, मैंने ऐसा का वैसा रख दिया and I drank that apple juice. उसके बाद क्या होना था, खाली पेट मैंने apple juice पी लिया था, मैंने उल्टियाँ कर दी भाई. However, we reached our destination, so I was trying to feel happy about it कि भाई finally पहुँच गए. And if you can see those tiny islands, they look so pretty even though the weather was all hazy on the very first day we reached there. क्योंकि मुझे लगा था कि अब ये पूरी ट्रिप में ना पूरी बादल और बारिश होने वाली है because one of my friend which I met at the airport said कि it has been raining continuously from the past 1 month or even the last 2 days it rained continuously. So I was like shit भाई अभी पूरी बारिश मिलेगी मेरे को. But ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. We got to see all sunny days too. Yeah! Stay tuned for the part 2!